Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the InDrive app for passenger. First, open the InDrive app on your mobile device. Now, tap on Continue with Google. Then, choose your Google account. Tap on Continue as your username. Now, enter your phone number to sign in. You can choose to create a passkey for extra security or to skip it. Next, enable location services, or you can skip it for now and set your location manually. Now, search for your current location in the search bar. Then, tap on the location and select Yes, I'm here. The app will now ask, are you a passenger or a driver? Tap on Passenger. Now, it may ask again to enable location services. Tap Allow if needed. Then, select the type of ride you want, like motor ride, couriers, or city to city. Now, enter pickup and drop-off locations. If you have a promo code, enter it now to get a discount. Then, turn the toggle on for automatically accept the nearest driver, optional. Tap on Find a Driver. Now, select your payment method. You might see options like cash or in-app payment. That's it, your ride will be on the way. You can track the driver in real time and contact them if needed. For more information, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.